southern fried chicken. It's always very tempting to have, and usually we get it when we're on the go. You know what? You can make delicious southern fried chicken at home just with a few steps. I'm using chicken Maryland, and I'm going to cut the chicken Maryland into two. So we have the chicken thigh and the chicken drumstick. This is my favorite cut of chicken to use for southern fried chicken. It's the dark meat of the chicken, and it stays really moist when it's fried. So there's the chicken leg and the thigh, keeping it on the bone so it stays really moist throughout the cooking process. And then I'll cut straight through that cartilage. Now for the flour and buttermilk mix. Here's just some plain flour, a little bit of garlic powder and a little bit of onion powder. I'll mix that together with my hands. You can add any flavouring you like to this, but I'm going to keep it super traditional. And now the buttermilk is going to act like the glue. So we'll start with the drumsticks into the buttermilk and then into the flour, and then get your hands in there and coat it really well in the flour mixture so it becomes really textured in its coating. See how it becomes really flaky and almost doughy? That's what we're looking for, because that's going to give us super crispy fried chicken. Pop it in the oil, and now this is going to take a little bit longer to cook because it does have the bone in it. Keep tossing it in the hot oil, take around 15 minutes. All right, this chicken is looking good, so we can take it out of the oil now. And you want to drain it. I like to drain it on a rack so it stays crispy on all sides, so not on paper toweling. And look at that gorgeous, crispy skin. Is there anything better than crispy fried skin? It is so delicious. You can see how textured it is, which means crunch. Let it cool down a bit, and I'm going to serve it American style in one of these gorgeous baskets. Pile it up. A little bit of salt over that chicken. Serve that with some soft white bread, maybe some good old classic pickles. That's a Friday night indulgence right there.